Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of culinary adventures in your very own kitchen. Did you know that you can make crispy, delicious French fries at home with just a few simple ingredients? Yes, you heard that right. No need to head to your favorite fast food joint when you can create these golden delights right in your own kitchen. Stick around because today I'm going to reveal the secret to perfect homemade French fries. Trust me, once you master this, you'll never go back to store-bought or frozen fries again. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's always a pleasure to share these little nuggets of culinary wisdom with you. In this video, you'll learn how to make natural French fries that are easy to prepare and taste amazing. These fries are not just any fries. They are the epitome of what a French fry should be: crispy, golden, and utterly irresistible. Whether you're having a family dinner or just craving a snack, these fries are going to hit the spot. Imagine the joy on your loved ones' faces when they bite into these crispy delights. Alright, let's talk about the common problem a lot of us face when making fries. It's a universal struggle, isn't it? You want that perfect fry, but somehow they end up soggy or burnt. Many people struggle with getting that ideal texture, crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. It's a delicate balance, but once you get it right, it's pure magic. It's tempting to grab a bag of frozen fries, but trust me, making them from scratch is not only healthier, but also way more satisfying. Plus, you have complete control over the ingredients and the cooking process. First things first, you need the right kind of potatoes. Not all potatoes are created equal when it comes to making fries. Russet potatoes are my go-to because they have a high starch content, which is perfect for that crispy texture. Their low moisture content also helps in achieving that perfect fry. Once you've got your potatoes, it's all about the cut. The way you slice your potatoes can make or break your fries. Slice them into even strips. This ensures that they cook evenly, giving you that consistent crunch in every bite. Consistency is key here, folks. Uneven slices can lead to some fries being overcooked while others remain undercooked. Now, here's where the magic happens. This step is often overlooked, but is crucial for achieving that perfect fry. Soak those potato slices in cold water for at least an hour. This step is essential as it helps to remove excess starch. This helps to remove excess starch and is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. The soaking process also helps in preventing the fries from sticking together during frying. After soaking, pat them dry with a clean towel. This step is vital because any excess moisture can cause the oil to splatter and make the fries soggy. Dry fries are crispy fries. Make sure they are completely dry before you move on to the next step. Let's move on to the frying process. This is where the real transformation happens. You'll want to fry them twice. This double frying method is the secret to achieving that perfect texture. Yes, you heard that right. Twice. The first fry cooks the potatoes through, and the second fry gives them that irresistible crunch. The first fry should be at a lower temperature, around 325 degrees on 160 degrees, for about 5 to 6 minutes. This cooks them through without browning them too much. Take them out, let them cool, and then crank up the heat to 375 degrees or 190 degrees for the second fry. This higher temperature is what gives them that golden, crispy exterior. This is where they get that golden, crispy exterior. The second fry is what makes all the difference. And now, the moment of truth. Watch closely as I pull these beauties out of the oil. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of perfection. It's music to a home cook's ears. That's the sound of perfection. Look at that golden color and that crispy texture. Sprinkle them immediately with some sea salt to lock in that flavor. Seasoning them right out of the oil ensures that the salt sticks to the fries. Alright, let's recap. Choose russet potatoes, cut them evenly, soak in cold water, pat dry, and fry twice. These steps are simple but crucial for achieving that perfect fry. Follow these steps and you'll have the most amazing homemade French fries every single time. Trust me, your friends and family will be begging for more. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious cooking tips. Your support means the world to me and helps me bring more tasty recipes to your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep experimenting and enjoying your time in the kitchen.